yung ICI
Congressman, are you
commissioner
speaking
po-
for yourself or are you mentioning the sentiment, yung mga sentimento de
speaking for
suwal po ni
myself.
Mr. Singson?
No. I am speaking for
Oo.
myself. I'm speaking for
Ah.
myself. And I do understand the feelings of
Ah.
Secretary Babe.
Pero
But
sir, when-
binanggit niyo din po na
kasi nga
sinabi
doon
sa inyo
text
ni...
yung text message niya, sabi niya sa akin, why would I sacrifice why would I risk my life and my family just to solve Malacanang's problem? Oh, parang gano'n. Tapos tapos meron pa siya isang text sa akin na wala naman silang support. Oh.
Congressman, verbatim po ba yung sinasabi niyong text message?
Yes.
Yung
Baka
sinasabi
pwedeng
niyong text
basahin
message
nila,
from
Congressman.
Secretary
Medyo
Singson?
mahaba yung medyo mahaba
Ah.
yung text message.